clothes and fashion. Welcome to FluentEase English. This is the channel where you learn English fast and speak with ease. Today, our lesson is about clothes and fashion, phrases you can use when you go shopping or talk about what you wear every day. Remember, when you listen and repeat many times, English becomes natural. Repetition builds your reflex. The more you repeat, the faster you speak. So stay with me, practice step by step, and enjoy the lesson. Let's get started. Mini story. Emma goes shopping for clothes. It's a cold Saturday morning. Emma wants to buy new clothes for winter. She walks into a clothing store downtown and smiles at the assistant. "Hello," Emma says. "I'd like a shirt." The assistant nods. "Of course. What color do you like?" Emma replies, "Blue, please." Then she looks around and asks, "Do you have pants?" The assistant says, "Yes, over there on the left." Emma picks a pair of jeans and says, "This is perfect." Next, she sees a long skirt and says, "This is beautiful." She tries on the skirt and a warm jacket. The assistant says, "You look great." Emma smiles. "Thanks. I also need shoes." The assistant brings a pair of black boots. Emma tries them and says, "They're comfortable." Then she sees a silk scarf and says, "Wow, this scarf is amazing." The assistant says, "It's made of real silk." Emma adds a pair of socks, a summer hat, and a winter coat to her basket. She laughs. "I think I'm ready for every season now." At the counter, she pays for everything and says, "Shopping is my favorite exercise." The assistant laughs. "Come back anytime." Now it's time for the Q&A mini story. Emma goes shopping for clothes. Listen carefully, answer quickly, and don't worry about mistakes. This step will make your English automatic. Let's begin. It's a cold Saturday morning. Who goes shopping? Emma. What day is it? Saturday. Why does she go shopping? To buy new clothes for winter. Where does she go? To a clothing store downtown. What does she say first? I'd like a shirt. What color does she want? Blue. Who helps her? The shop assistant. Emma asks, "Do you have pants?" What does she ask for? Pants. Where are the pants? On the left. Does she buy jeans or a skirt? Jeans. Emma says, "This is a long skirt." What kind of skirt? A long skirt. Does she like it? Yes, she says it's beautiful. What else does she try on? A warm jacket. How does she look in the jacket? Great. What does she say next? I need shoes. What kind of shoes does she try? Black boots. Are they comfortable? Yes. What does she see next? A silk scarf. What is the scarf made of? Real silk. Does she buy it? Yes, she does. What else does she buy? A pair of socks, a summer hat, and a winter coat. How does Emma feel at the end? Happy and satisfied. What does she say about shopping? Shopping is my favorite exercise. Excellent work. You have just completed the lesson about clothes and fashion. Today you practiced phrases like, "I'd like a shirt. Do you have pants?" This is a dress, a long skirt, a warm jacket, a silk scarf, and a pair of socks. Remember, repetition is the key. The more you repeat, the faster English becomes automatic. If you enjoyed this lesson, practice again tomorrow, subscribe to FluentEase English, and keep building your fluency step by step. See you in the next lesson.